when it's all said and done, KD or LeBron, who is going to have more rings?
LeBron James, because he's staked to a 3-0 lead. I mean, right now, if you want to say Kevin Durant's halfway to 1, okay, so it's 2.5 to 1. You want to say or 3 to 1/2. So LeBron's got a 2.5 lead. You want to say that's fine. LeBron could be past his best, and he could be declining, and the Warriors look unstoppable. But you mean to tell me a declining LeBron cannot win any more rings? He might grab 1 or 2, even if he's not the best player on the team anymore. He has a very well-rounded skill set. He'll be fine. KD, meanwhile, be wary of the invincible, they're never going to lose. I remember Mike Tyson at a certain point when I was a kid. The kid who's going to beat Mike Tyson hasn't been born yet, and like the next year he lost, right? So like you can't start counting KD's chips maybe past this one too fast.
KD is 5 years younger.
I hate to be this guy. I was trying. This was the toughest question you guys have asked me. I was trying not to be this dude. I was trying. The answer is Kevin Durant. It truly is.
How?
LeBron does have 3 championships, but it's the Golden State Warriors' turn, and they're going to get 1 this year, and I don't see them slowing down. I don't. I see a dynastic situation happening. They would have won the championship last year if Draymond Green was not suspended.
That'd have been 3 in a row.
That would have taken place, and they wouldn't have got KD. I truly believe these Golden State Warriors have what it takes to be a dynastic situation and to get at least 3.
Have you learned anything about these dynasties? One thing you can't go out there and guarantee is the results. You can guarantee the construction, you can guarantee the talent, but you can't guarantee the championship results. LeBron James, when he created the Miami Heat and the Heatles, and went out there,
Pat Riley.
and Pat Riley.
Not 6,
Not 7.
And we all agreed. We were like, oh, they're going to win 7.
And then what had happened was
Real spill. Good call.
other teams show up, injuries happen, other teams are constructed. Look, no one is going to stay pat. Everyone is going to make moves to try and go where Durant and the Warriors are going. I say it's LeBron.
And you said 3. That's a tie.
Yeah, I'm not good at math. I'm not good at math. Yeah.
No, it's still LeBron.
Jalen versus everybody, including math.
It's LeBron, man.
Yeah, I'll tell you what. For all these dynasties, you're right. Golden State has 1 right now. Cleveland's got 1.
Yeah.
The Heat got 2. All these teams like, oh, they're going to win 15. 1, 1, and 2.
Yep. Last 5 championships, 3 of them. LeBron.
You guys can't go wrong betting against
Guys, it's been fun.